Yo, welcome to Physics with Vinay. Hi, I'm Vinay Uppal and I'm back with the announcement that we have all been waiting for. It's finally here. The website is live and the Game Changer course has been launched. So first, I want you to go to vinayuppal.com. As you can see here, I'm on my web page, and you can just explore this web page on your own. There's a section about me, कुछ testimonials है by my former students. बाकी खुद देख लो पूरा website. But what I want to show you is the Game Changer courses here. So I have made two courses, one for 2022 aspirants and the other for 2023 aspirants. There are some differences between the two courses, so it's very important that you select the course for the year that you are going to give JEE in. Let me just quickly tell you what the differences are between the two courses. So one thing is that the 2022 course is valid only up to JEE Advanced 2022, and likewise 2023 course is valid up to JEE Advanced 2023. Another point is that the Game Changer course for 2023 is based purely on mechanics, whereas the 2022 Game Changer course has some applications to chapters outside mechanics as well. Because 2023 aspirants would not have covered those topics like electromagnetism as of now. It's only February. So my plan is to add all those concepts in chapters outside mechanics as a completely separate lecture at a later date for the Game Changer 2023 course. So just keep that in mind and make sure you are selecting the correct course that is for your JEE. So let me just walk you through this. Let me just click on more details for the Game Changer JEE 2022 course. So this is going to take you to the course page where you can see all the chapters in the course. So for example, you have 7 chapters in this course. And if I click on any one of the chapters, so let me just click on, let's say, rotation. So you have 6 lectures under the rotation chapter and so on. So there are 3 free lectures that you can watch, one from circular motion and 2 from rotation. So do not click buy now. Please first click enroll for trial so that you can access the free lectures. This is very important because there are no refunds available. So I want you to first enroll for the free lectures, watch all the 3 free lectures, and then you can proceed to purchase the course if you want to. The course is available at rupees 2700 at a discounted price for a limited period of time. Keep that in mind. Another thing is, please go through this frequently asked questions section, FAQ section. This is also important before you purchase the course. Here a couple of things, like for example, you will not be able to access this course from the iOS devices like iPhone or iPad. So keep that in mind and please go through the entire FAQ section. Also, this course is valid till JEE Advanced 2022, like I said earlier. Here it says expires on August 31, 2022. That is just an estimated date. As soon as we get the JEE Advanced 2022 date, the expiry will be set to that date. And similarly for the Game Changer course for JEE 2023, it will be valid till JEE Advanced 2023. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click enroll for trial. And then you'll have to just sign up here. You will have to verify your email ID. You'll get an email in your account for the verification. If you do not get that, please check your spam folder. It may have gone there. So just finish up the sign up process. Alright, now once you finish the sign up process, you should be able to come back to this page and you can just click enroll for trial now. Alright, so now you're enrolled and you can watch the free lectures. So let me just go to one of these free lectures. Let me go to the first lecture of rotation. So you can watch the free lectures here, and you have the list of all the lectures and all the chapters on the right hand side. Alright, so let me just show you some features of my site here. If you buy the course, you'll be able to ask your doubts, participate in discussion, and make your own notes on the video lectures. So let me just show that to you. Alright, so let's say I'm playing this video. And as you watch the video, let's say I have a doubt here. So I just pause the video here And what you can do is you can press ask question. So let's say, how do I find the acceleration of the blocks? This is your doubt. So just press ask button, ask question. Alright, so I've logged in from my ID as a student, and what you'll see here is that your question will appear with the corresponding timestamp. You just have to pause the video wherever you have a doubt, pause it, and just use the ask button question and type in your question. So I'll get a notification that you've asked me a question, and I'll be able to reply to your doubt. It's also open to others, so everyone else can also participate in this discussion. They can respond to this question by just going to this timestamp. So if someone else is at some other point in the video and you click the timestamp, it will automatically take you to that particular point in the video where the question has been asked by you. Another very nice feature is the bookmark feature. So suppose you are at this point in the video at the 12-minute mark, 12-minute 22-second mark, and you just want to add a bookmark. Let's say you just want to pause the video here, take a break and come back. You can just press this bookmark button and that bookmark will be added for you. So you can see all these are the list of bookmarks that I've added. I added one 22 days ago at the 11-minute 14 seconds mark. If you just click on that, you'll be able to go at that point. And you can also take notes. So suppose at some, let's say 16-minute at the 16-minute mark. So let's say here I want to just take some note. So just click add bookmark and you can just write down something, whatever you want to write down, and submit it. This is all your personally viewed bookmarks and notes. So later on when you come back to revise, you can just click on all bookmarks and you'll be able to see all these chapters and the places where you bookmarked or you took notes. Alright, one more thing that I want to show you is that you can change the resolution, the quality of the video here, and you can also change the speed. If you find me too fast or too slow, you can just speed it up or speed it down. One important thing is that you may see your email ID and your phone number floating on the screen in very small font. So it won't interfere with the viewing experience, but this is to discourage piracy. I've worked very hard on this course, and if anyone were to download it and share it, I'll be able to easily know the email ID and the phone number of that culprit. And I will not hesitate to take legal action. I'm very serious about that. I've worked really hard on this, but it will not affect your viewing experience, that I can assure you. Another thing is, if you have a technical issue with the website, just go back here. So this is my page. I have enrolled as a student. I have enrolled for both. I have purchased the GameChanger 2022 course and I have enrolled for JEE 2023 course. Of course, you will be enrolling only for one of the two courses. Alright, so just click on your on the icon on the top right and just go to support. So this is where you will be able to ask any queries related to technical issues. So you just press raise ticket and you can just select what the issue is, whether it's an issue in the video player, or it's a payment issue, or whether it's a login logout issue, whatever it is. You can just type in your query here and submit it, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Right, what about the order of the lectures? The best way to watch these lectures is just go in order, because I have, for example, I have used the tricks taught in rotation in the SHM chapter. So if you watch SHM, for example, I'm just giving you an example. If you watch SHM before rotation, then it may be a little difficult because I've used the concepts from rotation. So best is to just start watching start to end in order. Alright, that's it from my side. I'll see you guys at the top. Good night.